I mostly just wanted to thank you for the course and for your insights. It's really, I've learned an awful lot. I knew from the beginning, and I really wanted to go through the course. I knew about the Bates method and I had read some books and done some exercises. But when you talked about the emotional level, I knew that I needed to hear what you had to say, and I'm very glad. Um, I have a lot of trauma and grief stored in my eyes. Um, I've had torn retinas and detached retinas in both eyes, and surgeries in the left eye. They did a vitrectomy. I had had cataract surgery before that, and the lens was replaced. Then I got a torn retina, detached retina. They did a vitrectomy on that eye. Then I got a torn retina and a major bleed and a detached retina in the right eye. And they did a scleral buckle, which was really horrible. And I have a bad cataract in that eye. So I've had a lot of trouble with my eyes working together. I knew on physically that it was more than possible. I improved my eyesight after the scleral buckle. I literally couldn't see at all because the shape of my eye was completely changed. And all I saw was like a gray moving screen in front of my eye all the time until I taught myself how to see again. But it's the emotions that I'm still dealing with. I'm very interested in the webinar on Thursday. I hope I can make it. We do have some things going on Thursday, but I hope I'm home and can be there. And I'm looking forward to participating in the group next time as well.